I I naturally have very bad teeth, so and I had a lot of ups and downs with my teeth in here and there in different places. I live in Doha, so I've had done my teeth like 7 times over the past 4 months. So I was about to give up. Then I started googling because I was going my way home. So I found this place, Dontia, in the internet. It was having the highest rating in Kolkata. So I called up the doctor. Doctor said he was kind enough to instruct me how it is, and we had this veneer done. So it's been fantastic because we did in one day sitting, and it doesn't pain or anything. But and I feel very confident about it. After doing so, I'm pretty happy about it. So I would advise to visit Doctor Sethi and do a veneer if you're not happy the way you smile. Thank you very much.